Hey gang, today we're using Royal Red, Tequila Sunrise, Illuminate, Aquarium, and Bora Bora, and Grape Jelly. I'm starting with Royal Red. I'm doing a sort of U shape, and then that will have a cure. So I'm going to do one colour and then mimic the shape with the next colour, curing each between so that you can go right up against the other colour. I have sped this up a bit. I just did a voiceover without speeding it up, and well, I ran out of stuff to talk about, believe it or not. It was just, after a few minutes I was like, geez, you're still going. So I've sped it up quite a lot. This is Illuminate. This is the only colour out of them that I thought needed a second coat. I probably wouldn't have if I'd done maybe a white base, which I probably would do if I was doing it on a person, so that you don't have to do two coats, because otherwise it will take a while if you faff like I do. But I didn't do a white base, so I did two coats of that, and then figured if I'm doing two coats of that, I'd just do two coats of everything. So I sped that second coat up even more. So that's just what I'm doing here. This is Aquarium. It's such a nice colour. However, I don't think it was the right choice for this nail. But it's done now. And it looks fine. It's fine. That star that you just saw was actually stuck to the blue tack. It's not on the nail. Actually, yes, it's on the nail. It's a very important step. Put a star on the nail and then cover it up completely. It will all go wrong if you don't do that. It's important you know that. So I'm sorry I didn't post yesterday. I was filming this, and my device stopped filming because it ran out of storage. So I had to stop and take some stuff off, and then I started filming again and it did it again. So I had to stop again and then plugged it into my laptop, got my external hard drive, and then just transferred a whole bunch of stuff onto it so I could delete it. But then fell down the rabbit hole, as you do, of looking through, I went back to like 2004 looking through pictures and videos and things. So yeah, that's where I was yesterday. I was in 2004. So that's had a full cure. Now I've finished with the black. Well, they've all been having full cures, but another one at the end there. And this is super sped up of the second coat. I don't think I've done the orange line thick enough, and it was all starting to look a bit dark, but I attempted to rectify that once I'd done the second coat. Again, curing each colour as I do it. So yeah, I'm still actually in the world of looking through old stuff, because I'm still trying to sort out all the pictures I've got everywhere. Did come across a rather nice picture of a soldier's bottom that was sent to me. Did I delete it? I don't know if I did. Maybe I kept it. Yeah, so that was interesting. Okay, so I cured the second coat, and I decided that it was looking a bit dark, so I just thought I'd add some white lines. Oh, and then my camera cut off again, so you missed the last bit. But, that's such is life. So I'm now top coating, and that is it. Not overly enthused by it, but I'll try and find something that I'm really in the mood to paint. It always goes better if you're in the mood for something. So I'll have a think for tomorrow, or maybe the next day's video. Haven't decided how I'm going to go about this yet. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for lots more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Wave, wave. Bye-bye.